Greetings there, gold seekers. This is Tim from Blue Lead Gold Productions. We're back at the Edwards Crossing Bridge today, and the plan for the day is that we're going to hike on down to a spot past Spring Creek and see whether we can mine out the rest of a little bit of a gravel deposit that Prospector Jake and I were working on the last time we were here about, I guess 4 or 5 days ago. And started the day off at the Nevada County Recorder's Office. Actually, I started off the day doing a little bit of furniture refinishing and banking and stuff. And then it was on to the Nevada County Recorder's Office to observe all the legal formalities necessary to file a federal mining claim. I guess next week sometime I'll probably head down to the BLM office in Sacramento and finish that up. But in the meantime, let's go mining. Alright, so I'm back here at the diggings, and it's a pleasant day. Kind of a cool breeze coming through. There's like a hawk or a vulture or something circling up over there. I'll see if I can catch him. Let's see if we can. Just going to mine out the rest of this gravel and run it through the sluice here. And I saw some other nice spots a little further back up. Let's take a look at the river. Alright, so this is what we like to see. You just dump the load into the sluice, and there's about 5 or 6 little pieces of gold that have gotten stuck on the black mark. That nice piece of gold sitting out there on the end of the ramp. I'm going to try to see if I can get that with the snuffer bow. Okay, I'm back. I'm armed with the snuffer bow. And our mission, I don't know if you can see it in there, but see that nice piece of gold sitting at the end of the ramp? I'm going to try to see if we can snuffer that one right up. Got it. There's a couple other little ones down there. Might as well snuffer them while we're at it. Every little bit of gold is good gold. I don't know if you can see them, but just another little constellation of micro golds getting stuck on the ramp to the sluice there. All right, so here's our concentrates from the first clean out. Let's pan them down and see if there's any gold in them. I snuffered up a bunch of gold off the ramp, so there was more gold in this pay dirt than was showing the pan. Alright, well it took a little while to clean it up because there was that much black sand and quite a bit more in the pan. But take a look at that. We got gold. That was the first clean out. That was maybe about 1/3 of a bucket. And I had snuffered up quite a few nice flakes as well. So that's some good pay dirt right there. I'm going to dig some more. And we got 3 little pieces of gold trailing along on the bed of the sluice. Okay, so here's concentrate load number 2. A lot of visible black sand up on the top. Let's hope there's gold down there. Well, sports fans, it's not going to move the scale a whole lot, but it's just another constellation of little fine Yuba gold, a couple of flakes and lots of little micros. I'm going to snuffer those up and we'll try to see if there's anything bigger down further in the hole. So we're working on sluicing out bucket number 3 here. And I think we're going to have some gold in it. I've been seeing gold running down the ramp. I see a nice little flake getting hung up there. Let's see if we can get it with the snuffer. Got it. Either that or missed it and it went in. A couple other little ones. Well, loads of black sand there. But the question is there gold? Well, we're going to have to check on the time and see if we got time to go for bucket number 4. I got the water on it all ready to go. And here's what we got out of clean out number 3. Once again, we got a little constellation of gold in the pan. We got to love that. Look at all that little Yuba gold. Not exactly a retirement nugget in there, but every little bit helps. All right, well, I've said it before and I'll say it again, that daylight don't last forever on the Yuba. I did not have time to do a 4th bucket, so we're just going to have to roll with the 3 we got. But take a look here. This is the gold for the day that we got out of those little buckets, and I'm pleased with it. It's not going to necessarily move the scale a whole lot, but there are plenty of shiny little flakes, and I had a good time digging them up. And if I'd gotten out here earlier, I could have had twice as much gold. So gold seekers, so that's the end of the video for today. I have another 3 months here before I head back to Hawaii for a short break, and I'll be back in the mother lode again for about 3 or 4 months at that point. So it gets too darn cold, and then I'll head back to Hawaii and go surfing again. Repeat the cycle. So it was a fun, if not solitary day here today. Didn't get a whole lot of gold, but I got plenty of gold to keep me happy. And if you like what you saw in this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos coming in the upcoming weeks and months. And so, for now, this is Tim from Blue Lead Gold Productions saying, aloha!